Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram phone Khmer on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we will come here to apps window. We will just go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window. We will go to phone Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to next window and we will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window, we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage. Then we come to this is window, we will go up here, we will click here in app, then we click here on clear local, and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.